Ako si Pipina na
Ako naman si Pipino Noel. And we are the
Filipino Squad. So, kami lang lalaro kasi yung Filipino Squad ay na lalaro sila ibang games o napapahinga po sila.
Yes!
So, si Pipino na Nawad at Pipino na Purple ay lalaro together nila.
Yes!
So,
Ang
we're
lalaro.
playing God's Will.
So, mostly po voice po ni Pipino Purple po ang gagamitin for today. Siya most magtotalk. At ako naglo-loading pa.
Yeah.
Annoyed, he stormed inside and turned on the gas stove, only to find it wouldn't light either. He grabbed his blowtorch, cranked it to full blast, and ended up singeing his eyebrows as the flame flared out. Depressed, he
Ayun
chewed on
na.
his unlit cigarette, pondering life. The TV flashed news of Mount Fuji's
Why is the
imminent
classroom
eruption. He
messy
saw his
daw?
chance. Rushing towards the volcano, he risked his life trying to light his cigarette with lava, only to be thwarted even by the volcano. Totally defeated, he angrily tossed the cigarette into the lava and stormed away. That's when he realized he lost
Awooga.
a whole day without smoking.
She
Ecstatic,
likes
he shouted
smoke.
with joy and vowed never to smoke again in his life.
A lot of the emotes are anime spoilers. I'll talk
Bye-bye! This will be a short na lang. Bye-bye!